Hey guys, welcome back to Peace Paradise. So I've been shopping at one of my favorite places to shop at in Dallas, which is Rubal's, and I've got quite a bit of variety here. I wanted to tie in the 3 spaces that I have, so my whole goal for this area is a peachy pink. And over here, then we'll transition to different shades of purple. And over here, different shades of silver, white, and green. So that was my goal in shopping today. So to tie in the space and to tie in all the plants that I have going here, the Dusty Millers are going to do that for us today. So I thought these coleuses were super cute. So I will be planting in Dusty Miller to tie in the spaces. I'm going to figure out how I want to place them. I know it's kind of hard to envision, and I am growing in clay soil, as you can see. It's not all about having the best soil, but knowing what can grow in your soil. So things are kind of spread out. I planted a couple of seeds back there. So, but that is the look that I'm going for to tie the Dusty Millers into these different colors. I also found these Supertunias, which are super cute. So this variety is the Supertunia Honey. And I am up under the mulberry tree, so I'm going to tie some Supertunia Honey in there. And this crepe myrtle is pink. And also this rose bush is pink. So we have some peachy pinks going on here. And to make it not look too matchy, I'm going to throw in some of these to tie in with these. I also got some snapdragons, and I don't buy too many snapdragons because I know how to harvest the seeds and collect them for next planting season. So I'm going to throw in some of those too, just to add some height into this space. And then I will be dividing these zinnias. Now I could just buy a whole packet of zinnias, which I have done anyway, but it takes forever for them to grow. So let's just have some of this separated and thrown into this space. For now, the space is done. Just kind of water the plants in, so I know it'll look super nice once they perk back up. And again, the vision over here was peachy pink. Peachy pink. So that's why I threw in just a little bit of honey tones, a little bit of cream tones. And what ties the spaces together are the Dusty Millers. And the crepe myrtle just fell. But over here too, the Dusty Millers, they will tie this entire space in. I had so much fun shopping for this space. I love zinnias, and it was a challenge to find the salmon coral color. So I'm super glad I could tie it in with just different touches of pink and peach. And once everything fills in and blooms a little bit more, I will do an update on this space. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this peachy pink episode of Peace Paradise. Please like the video and subscribe for more garden videos. Have a blessed day.